Starting around September 20, 2023, Bitcoin Money truly is exchanging at $215.16 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.24% in truly most recent 60 minutes. Or so they in every practical sense thought. BCH in a real sense has an in every practical sense all-out market cap of $4,197,662,223, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $218,587,928, or so they essentially thought. This sort of makes Bitcoin Money, BCH, for the most part positioning at 18 in the digital currency market in a quite enormous manner. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Bitcoin Money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin Money in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2023? Or so they explicitly thought. Is Bitcoin Money a genuinely wise venture or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite huge manner? Will BCH cost generally outperform its untouched high, which sort of is very critical? These certainly are our Bitcoin Money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future in an in every practical sense, significant way. Bitcoin Money, BCH value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin Money gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost explicitly is supposed to truly cross a really normal value level of $259.46, the normal certainly least value worth of Bitcoin Money, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to in a real sense be $248.26, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, BCH can especially arrive at a really most extreme value level of $285.43 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin Money, BCH value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Bitcoin Money cost certainly is conjecture to truly arrive at a very the least cost of $214.92, which by and large shows that Bitcoin Money, BCH value forecast August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Bitcoin Money cost fundamentally is estimate to arrive at an actually the least cost of $214.92, which generally is genuinely critical. The BCH cost could in every practical sense arrive at a really most extreme cost of $241.78, with the typical expected cost around $235.06 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin Money, BCH value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Bitcoin Money cost truly is gauged to generally arrive at a very the most reduced cost of $228.57, genuinely further appearance how truly is Bitcoin Money, an especially wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023. Which sort of is very huge. The BCH cost could especially arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $253.53, with the sort of typical expected cost around $239.77, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Money, BCH value conjecture October 2023. The Bitcoin Money, BCH cost for October 2023 may sort of arrive at a kind of least worth of $235.61, while the exceptionally greatest determined cost explicitly is around $263.12, which basically is very critical. The truly normal cost for BCH truly is explicitly anticipated to basically reach $244.56 in October 2023, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Money value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Bitcoin Money could truly stretch around $275.35, which essentially is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 generally is $242.94 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $251.90 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin Money value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the very greatest cost for Bitcoin Money could sort of stretch around $285.43, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 in a real sense is $248.26, with a truly normal cost of $259.46 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin Money in every way that really matters, past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been generally diminished by 1.43% in its fundamentally current worth in a genuinely significant manner. Assuming we sort of look at the especially current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down. So the very normal cost for BCH essentially is by and large anticipated to in every way that really matters, reach $244.56 in October 2023 in an unobtrusive way. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the BCH generally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.12%, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money by and large has shown areas of strength for extremely potential recently. And this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and really put resources into a for the most part huge way essentially. The exceptionally normal extremely least cost for the month really is $130.31. While genuinely greatest essentially normal cost especially was $134.63, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. This suggests that this coin especially is a reasonable resource and another expansion to decently your arrangement of coins for sort of long haul, which truly shows that this suggests that this coin for the most part is an appropriate resource and another expansion to extremely your arrangement of coins for genuinely long haul in an essentially significant manner. In certainly most recent 4 months Bitcoin money in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, so Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation August 2023, concerning August 2023, Bitcoin money cost most certainly is conjecture to in a real sense, arrive at a scarcely the least cost of $214.92, which generally shows that Bitcoin money, BCH value forecast August 2023, with respect to August 2023. As per the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money,